talking to your food. I don't want boring food.
That's right. I don't want some...
I want food that I can talk to.
I want interesting food.
I want interesting food. I want interesting food. Well, where did you grow up, Lectus? And here, look at, oh, macaroni, where are you coming from?
Italy, I'm sure.
I mean, well, not necessarily.
Oh, that's true.
So, and this hamburger, where were you raised before we cooked you? No?
Yeah, well, I get bored of the same old food all the time.
So now we have to have conversations with our food.
We just need it to be interesting.
So we're going to go out and buy exotic food, right?
Yeah.
Oh, good. I'm so excited.
Well, we just have to start cooking something different. And, you know, we have to start doing more meal planning, but we can't put it on video no more.
Why?
Because people get sad. People think you're sad, honey.
Yeah, I've been sad for 20 years.
19.
Oh, is it only 19?
It's only 19.
God, it feels
so
like
if you've been sad for 20 years, it wasn't all my fault.
Feels like 120 years. It's been so sad.
So sad.
So sad, yes.
Uh-huh. You hate it, don't you?
Yeah, that's why I'm still here.
That's why you're still here 19 years later.
19 years later.
So miserable.
And then they say, man, he is stupid. Stupid.
Yeah, but I don't say that.
Huh?
I don't say that. I never say you're stupid.
No, you use a bigger word.
What, propagate?
There you go. See? Here we go with the big words again.
What does propagate mean, honey?
Run out and propagate open.
No.
Oh, it isn't? They still haven't changed that, have they?
I still haven't changed. Ingredients, honey.
What?
There was macaroni,
Yep.
an onion,
Yep.
and hamburger, and cheese, and milk. That's 5.
So that makes it all right. That everything's a disaster. But I thought, what was that something else you made the other day? And I come out here and I look and I'm going, dang. And there's shit everywhere, you know. It's just like, how does that work?
Well, you know, sometimes it just all comes together at the same time. And you have all these different prep stuff that you have to...
Well, the thing is, I want to design a kitchen where they have shelves up here.
Yeah, I also want the counters to be about 3 inches taller than they are.
It'd be like on the head on the ship. They were just bent up. So
Yeah, that would be good.
I can keep them on it. No, it wouldn't make any difference, I don't think. With you, I'd still have to sweep the goddamn floor. It's like half the meal's on the floor. You know. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, poor honey.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure this all out. What the hell happened?
I cooked.
What? No. It's like somewhere along the line, I never noticed it before as bad. Or did you just finally start cooking? Or something?
Well, no, I've always cooked.
I was going to say, you've always...
Have I gotten messier lately?
Yes.
I think I'm old.
What do you mean you think? God. That's like me saying, I think I'm bald. Oh.
think it's affected my coordination or something. That's why I make such a mess when I cook.
How does...
Well, because I have to...
The mother's moving around. Mother's moving around.
She got out again.
She got out of her room again.
I have to come and see what everybody's laughing about.
Everybody. Lorrie and me. That's everybody. The
It's
cats
everybody in my house.
Well,
The cats ran away.
yes.
Oh yeah, they ran away a long time ago.
And Lorrie and her cooking. 3 items.
5.
Oh, 5.
5 ingredients.
5 ingredients and there's shit everywhere. How does that work?
I don't
And
know.
1 pan. Got 1 pan right there.
This
Got
should
5
be-
ingredients in the pan. And when I'm done,
should be on
it's
video.
everywhere.
This should definitely, your cleanup time should definitely be on video.
Mom thinks we should video everything in our lives.
Why?
She thinks we should just walk around with cameras on our shoulder, just recording each other
Because
talk.
they're funny. If I could figure out how to make sound in my video.
What do you mean?
I video you myself.
You don't
Your
know.
mom, if I could figure out how to actually operate this thing.
I can make a video, it just has no sound in it.
What do you mean it has no sound in it?
It doesn't sound.
It doesn't sound.
How do you can't, doesn't that automatically
Have
go?
you turned your microphone off?
I don't know.
Why did you turn
She doesn't even know she's got a microphone. Did you know that?
Did you know you had a
know there's-
microphone?
I know there's a sound button to put your sound up or down.
That's not the microphone.
You're talking about your phone, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you think picks it up when you talk into it?
I don't know.
It's magic. Magic.
People are saying, what?
Because you're...
Who is this?
After the 3rd call, I finally got somebody to talk to me.
Oh
Oh
dear.
my God. No, it started out. Settle down there. Oh, Christ. Started out first. How was dinner? I said it's fine. It was kind of boring. And it's kind of like, it's dinner. Well, I want something more. What did you say?
Interesting.
More interesting. I said, what do you want to do? Have a conversation with it? Oh.
She should have planned better. That's what happened.
There's a zinger. Your mom got you.
Yes, that's what I said. We have to plan better so we can have interesting meals instead of boring ones.
So I just said, oh, interesting meal. So that means we got to sit down and talk to it before we eat it or what? Oh, macaroni, where do you come from? Did you come from Italy or did you come from hamburger? Where did you grow up before we cooked you? You know, and it's like, who the hell talks to their food? You're an idiot.
I just want it to be good.
I knew I should have cleaned this.
Why?
Why?
Then you wouldn't have had to get a new one.
No, that's not why we got a new one.
Oh, it isn't?
No, we got a new one because it's stupid.
You don't like this
Well,
one?
for
No,
one
it's
thing,
stupid.
we did get a new one because that thing sucks. And
That's
it is
basically
Why
why.
don't you paint this and make it make it a yard part?
You clean it first, and I'll paint it.
Really?
Yeah,
What would you do with it?
What?
I'll make
Abby, get
I'll make
off
a
the table.
waterfall.
Get down. Come on, get down. You'll make a what?
A waterfall.
All right.
Yeah, see? Remember those waterfalls you sent me? So it could be like this, right? And she cleans it and I make it look pretty. And then the water could come up the top and go all down the bottom.
Is that how it does it?
Mom has to clean it first though, so that ain't happening.
Would you really use it for something if I cleaned it? If I cleaned it,
Did you hear what she said?
that ain't happening, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, wouldn't you be surprised if it did?
I would be.
My God.
I would be quite shocked.
It'd be easy to clean.
All right, have at her.
If you pull that top piece off, it'll snap in and out. It's
Really?
really easy then.
Okay. Will you actually use it?
I could, if I had the right hardware, I could turn it into a waterfall.
Well, yeah, the hardware. You know, after we get done, I only got $1,500 stuff.
So that's my life. It's just some random footage that I had my camera with me one day and I just turned it on and set it on the counter while Dave and I were chatting after dinner while he was cleaning up. So yeah, we actually have a lot of fun in this house and we enjoy every single day. Yeah. So thanks so much for popping in for a little bit and checking us out and seeing a little bit of our life. And if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. So I will see you next time. Have a great day. Take care of yourself. Bye now.